Hi everyone, my name is Peter Sisubule and welcome back to the digital age. Today we're going to look at concepts such as our digital selves, why the internet represents a communication revolution, and how different parts of media is being influenced by AI. Talking about our digital selves, we're talking about the part of ourselves that exists online through social media profiles, digital platforms, and any other presence we have. In a nutshell, it is almost everything we do today that leaves a digital trail. Secondly, we're going to talk about why the internet represents communication revolution. Stay tuned for more. The internet represents communication revolution because it is a transformative shift in how people interact, access information, and also conduct business. Unlike previous communication times, the internet allows a two-way communication on a global scale, connecting people virtually for any person on the planet. Then lastly, we're going to look at how different parts of media is being influenced by AI. For instance, what we're doing now, content creation is number one. Content creation is being used by AI as it generates news articles, it composes music, it also tells digital stories. The second last one is content moderation. AI can assist in content moderation on social media platforms by automatically detecting any inappropriate content such as spam, hate speech, and also ensuring a safer online environment. And that is our talk for today.